skull picker and it's Wednesday night. I got a couple things to show you. I apologize to you guys, and I also apologize to myself that I haven't made a video in a pretty long fucking while. This COVID thing, personal issues, nothing major or anything like that. Just work's been keeping me pretty busy, so I have been somewhat active behind the scenes. I've been watching some of your guys' videos and able to hit the like button and do some commenting the past few days. What else? That's really it. So I think I'm gonna do 2, maybe even 3 videos, hopefully real short ones, because I got some stuff I want to show you guys and actually show myself, and I'm gonna try to get something picked on video too. So without further ado, let's go to this one. This is a custom pick from To Be Deciphered. Great pick maker. He's the one that made me this one, which is awesome. I love the hollow pins. I have been using it. It's a usable one, obviously. As soon as this COVID shit, gets the hell out of the world, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to showcase those. But anyway, let's. I almost cut myself. Let's open this thing. See what we got. Let's be pretty careful because I don't want to cut off a finger, because I'm pretty fond of my fingers. How did we do this one without killing myself? Yeah, there we go. All right. I have not opened this one. That's from To Be Deciphered. Bam. Oh, kind of looks like a pink tampon. I can see it. I can see it. I love how he does that. He puts a little fold in there so it's easy to just go. All right. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, look at that. Wow. You guys see that? It's a deforced diamond. I think he's doing it on the 301 high yield steel. Wow, and that's a high reach deforced diamond. I love that. And look at the profile. It's a walnut, full tang, 2 hollowed out brass pins that I really love. Wow. To Be Deciphered, brother. Damn, you're getting good. I think he's relatively new custom lockpick maker, but shit, look at that thing. Maybe if I zoom in. No. Showing. Is that doing anything better? Look at that. I'm really gonna like that profile, I believe. Look at that. Just a great finish. I mean, it's a great looking wood. Good looking finish. I really like that. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this works. And I mean, look at it, it just fits perfectly. I mean, perfectly. Love it. To Be Deciphered, man. That is fucking awesome. Great job on that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's just badass. Like I said, this was another one he did. So look at the job he's doing on those. A little bit closer. Just doing a beautiful job. Beautiful job. Two really cool profiles too. You know, the pick profile itself and the handles. Great job, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Great job. All right. Roll into another one. So you guys will be seeing another video here pretty soon. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, hit the subscribe button down there. Love y'all. Peace.